This is a grinder that I have for sale. It has an opening of 10 by 12 right here. It's got 3 protective flaps here. Has a drawer that slides out where it collects the pieces. It's got a looks like a limit switch here to where you can tilt the machine back to access the rotor, and it's wired at 240 right now, but you can wire it for 460. It's got a 10 horsepower motor, 3-phase, and it has all the guards and everything works. And we will get Ross to crank this thing up. We've got some PVC pieces that we're going to grind up. We've already ground quite a few of them. And you ready to crank it up, Ross? This is Ross.
Thanks for looking. Okay, here we go.